All right, here we go. This is 23 Certified Football Hobby Box, PYT 649. Should have 2 autos per box on average. Get your guesses in for the player on that last auto. Mosaic NBA basketball is coming up next, PYT 635, if you're waiting on that one. 2 autos, 2 mims per box. 10 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Get those guesses in for the player on the last auto. If any autos are replaced by Panini points, we will random those off to someone in the break. There's our empty box. Alright, so let's get started. Pack number 1. Break number 5. Kid Reporter card. Then we have Franchise Foundations, Roquan Smith for the Ravens. Out of 399, rookie Brian Barisi for the Saints. There's Sam Howell, Tyler Lockett, Shaquille Leonard. Out of 249, Dan Hampton. New Generation Jaron Hall out of 399 on the patch for Minnesota. There's Kyler Murray, Stephon Diggs, George Pickens. Next pack. Kid Reporter card again. Certified Stars, that is Jahmyr Gibbs. Parker Washington out of 50. 19 out of 50 for the Jags. We got Matt Judon. Russell Wilson. Josh Allen. Next pack. We got a gold team of George Kittle. We got Damian Pierce. Terry McLaurin. Evan Ingram, Jerry Jeudy, and let's top load what we've opened so far. Still got time to get your guesses in for the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. And you do not have to be in the break to post a guess. Kid Reporter card. Calling cards, Ahmad Sauce Gardner. Here's our first auto. That's going to be Kendre Miller on the freshman fabric. Patch auto there. 362 out of 399 going to the Saints. That's it for the Saints spots. There's Chris Godwin. Micah Parsons. Justin Herbert. Back. We have Marshall Faulk on the Immortals. Miles Murphy out of 325. There's Justin Jefferson. Jordan Love. We have Demario Davis. 4 packs left. Kid Reporter card. Franchise Foundations, Micah Parsons for Dallas. Derrick Henry out of 275 for Tennessee. Jordan Brooks, Jalen Waddle, Austin Eckler. 3 packs left. Certified Stars, Travis Kelce. An auto here of Mike Ditka for the Chicago Bears, Canton Certified, out of 25. 22 out of 25 on that one. Really cool hit there for the Bears spot. Garrett Wilson, Max Crosby, Von Miller. That's 2 packs. Got a Kid Reporter card. Calling cards of Trevor Lawrence. And for the Jets, we have for the Jags, Anton Harrison out of 99, 33 out of 99 on that one. Travis Kelce, Amari Cooper, Jameson Williams. And our last pack of the break. We got an Immortals of Charles Woodson for the Raiders. And a Patrick Mahomes. Mem Certified Ballers, Patrick Mahomes out of 99 for the Chiefs. 83 out of 99 on that one. Ahmad Sauce Gardner, Trevor Lawrence, and Myles Garrett. Top load recap. Then we're going to move on to our Mosaic Hobby Box break coming up next. I want to thank everybody for helping fill these breaks tonight as well. And if you guys use that future break schedule link, it'll take you to our breaks we have scheduled for Thursday and other breaks we have listed. You can buy into those breaks through there. Out of 325, that is Miles Murphy for the Bengals. Out of 275, that is Derrick Henry for the Titans. Out of 99, Anton Harrison for the Jags. Brian Breesy out of 399 for the Saints. Out of 249 for the Bears, Dan Hampton. Out of 399, Jaron Hall on the new generation patch for the Vikings. Out of 50, Parker Washington for the Jags. Kendre Miller on the rookie patch auto freshman fabric out of 399 for the Saints. Mike Ditka was our final auto of the break out of 25 on the Canton Certified. And then we have the Certified Ballers of Patrick Mahomes out of 99 going to Kansas City. That does it for this one. Let's update our title here. Our Mosaic NBA Hobby box break here.